Crystals for Beginners, written by Anthony G. Brodbeck, narrated by DMS. Chapter 1, An Introduction to Crystals and Crystallotherapy. If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Nikola Tesla. About crystals. Crystals, otherwise known as crystalline solids, are solid materials comprising tons of atoms and molecules arranged in three-dimensional patterns. They are original products of a natural formation process and may appear in different shapes, properties, sizes, and colors. However, man-made crystals are now being formed through a variety of crystallization processes, which may take a few days or several years, as the case may be. Natural crystals especially take more time to form in the Earth's crust. The process involves the natural consolidation of Earth liquid and the consolidation of temperature chills. Some other crystals are formed when the Earth minerals are released into the Earth clefts. The word crystal itself originated from the ancient Greek word kristallos, which translates as ice or rock crystal. This does not imply, however, that crystals are necessarily ice cubes. Speaking of shape, not all crystals have flat surfaces and pointed edges. More so, every crystal has its own components of diverse atoms and molecules, whose unique arrangement makes up the crystal structure. The structure of a crystal itself is determined by the spatial arrangement of the unit cells, each of which contains atoms in various numbers arranged in a particular order. It is these unit cells which are further arranged in a three-dimensional form to result in what we know as crystals. The shape in which a crystal eventually appears is often a consequence of the kind of chemistry and bonding it undergoes in the formation process. The factors or conditions in place during the solidification process, the ambient pressure, chemistry of the mineral, and the temperature, among few other factors. In simpler terms, how a crystal appears, its pattern of arrangement, its properties, shape, size, and structure all depend on the conditions in place during the formation process. Naturally, crystals have electrical, mechanical, and optical properties, which make them useful for a number of purposes. This explains why they can be used as channels of...
Sample complete. Ready to continue?